Hello and welcome back, ladies, gentlemen, and NBs. My name is Andrew and I host St. Andrew TV, a cure for your Monday blues. Today, I have put together something pretty special for all of you. I am debuting St. Andrew TV's Wild Midwest. Obviously, the name I used is paying homage to Buffalo Bill's Wild West, and as for me, I live in the Midwest. But I do have an appreciation for the American frontier and the Victorian era. So what I've done today is compile some of the clips from previous videos and kind of make it my own little show. Now this is going to be a pretty brief video. However, I decided to make it to see if all of you would enjoy stuff like this and I can do more in the future and cut more clips. So without further ado, here is St. Andrew TV's Wild Midwest.
No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my burner prepaid wireless. We pack and deliver like UPS trucks. Already gonna hell just pumping that gas. All I wanna do is and ching and take your money. All I wanna do is and ching and take your money.
Thank you all for watching. That was St. Andrew TV's Wild Midwest. Obviously, paying some respects to Buffalo Bill's Wild West. Let me know down in the comments if this is something you would like me to continue with and progress on, because I did have a lot of fun making it. And for me, I wanted to make a show, a piece of theater like Buffalo Bill did. Anyway, that wraps things up. I appreciate everyone who has subscribed as of late. It really does warm my heart. But for those of you who have come across the video and you've yet to hit that big red button with that big bold white lettering, think about doing so, because you're a daisy if you do.